When looking for a case for your device, I think one of the things that we are looking for is something that's durable, like these S25 Ultra cases, but something that's also affordable and has a lifetime warranty. SaharaCase has all those options. Let's take a look at those now. So make sure to go to SaharaCase.com to find out more about these cases. And once again, lifetime warranty, practical protection, SaharaCase.com. For complete protection, check out our new Classic Protection Kit. Designed with adventure in mind, this all-in-one kit includes everything you will need to keep your device safe and secure. It includes our premium zero-damage tempered glass, our custom-designed Classic Series case, which we have available in many styles and colors, and all the essential accessories you will need. Adventure without limits with Sahara's protection, keeping your devices safe every step of the way.